Welcome to the Impossible Kingdom. Here on this channel, we strive to give you crazy, imaginative ideas for drawing. What does that mean? Well, I use lots of prompt cards to give you totally random ideas. I get your imagination open and onto the page, whatever your page looks like, whether it's a cereal box, using colored pencils or crayons, regular pencils, watercolor, anything that you want to use and try out, it is welcome here. You never know really what we're going to draw. There's no rules. How would you draw a crab, toucan, giraffe with funny hair? Well, however you draw, that's up to you, because you are the boss of your impossible kingdom. Here's another one. Out of these cards, what if you mixed an axolotl, walrus, octopus as a grandma? What does yours look like? Well, whatever it looks like, the key ingredient is always your imagination. Welcome aboard. Hit the subscribe button, the little bell. I try to put videos out like this every Friday. Let me know you're watching. Let me know you want more of these videos, and I will gladly keep doing them as long as I can. Thanks for watching. We'll see you around.